start. So first of all, always once you open your chart, always check your monthly. See where market they come from. See what you must be checking now. This one at that first launch, I think so. You have a nice zone when market they reject severally here. It's a nice rejection. The market now don't take out this last low already. Now why they go up now? So buy, sell. This one is more valid to use. That's the monthly perspective. Then you go to your weekly, check within the last weeks do. You don't need all these, you don't need every data. You understand, Abi? Any time frame you did, check within the last 2-3 candles do. If you did weekly, if you check now, the last 3 candles were bearish. Go weekly again, the same thing. If you check here now, the last 2-week candles were bearish. Then see here now, so you don't get weak now when market's supposed to fail. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Good. So weekly now they tell you, it's okay, market's supposed to still go bearish on the long run. But what's it called? Aside that, if you observe properly now, see last week candle, high and low. This week now, don't take the low already. This is the high. This is a low. Do you get? Of which from our what was it called? Our 3-day candle stuff. Like this kind of thing not happen. We expect small higher
Bullish.
prices to the up. Exactly. Then if you check it now to this candle engulf this one.
Yes.
So most likely now, if markets buy, if you look for buys or down now, come this up.
Okay.
If you buy, oh God, are they come out pick up? Hello? Hello? Alpha? No, wala. Yeah. So market now supposed to buy come this zone. Then you go short. So that's for the weekly bias. But this week still day also now more like counter trading they do. So this week still needs to be filled. Then you go to your daily. Check what the last days do. If you check here now inside this candle, everything that happens. So do you get?
Okay. Yeah.
Now in all these candles now, say this candle now sweep this low. If it's okay, your 3-day stuff, don't they right? Do you get?
Yeah.
But in as much
Yes.
as this one closed inside, did not sweep this low now, so market will still sell. It's just that simple.
Okay.
So what do? You mark this extreme high now. Take this red candle now as your what was it called as a reference point because now it closed below that previous candle. Very in straight small
Yeah.
game. Come on, Adikon. Good. This candle now it closed below here.
No.
So now it be your reference point. What do? You go to your 4 hour now, check if you see any possible sell structure where if you engage from. 4 hour not so clear. See they work with this thing. We'll check on our good. So now just simple something. So if you check here now, we get clean break of structure, break for here.
Yeah.
That's an impulsive push. But I would expect correction, impulse again, of which not happen, meaning this high should be taken. So if you look your extreme now for where you feel engaged from. So here will be peak now. Peak here, impulsive push, correction, impulse. You get Abi?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
me now go most likely won't engage above this zone. Are you getting me?
Okay. For sell.
Exactly, because this thing they bearish. They bearish. The buys not just the buys for them more valid if this candle close below
Yeah.
here and this kind of long wick not they decide.
You know, say that our class some time ago when you can't
Mm,
talk about the week of
mm,
say the BTC must come fit that week.
mm,
So this token before I be get some and with one other one drift before. So I still know say that thing they happen, but based on the market now, I can't really observe the thing. I say market will definitely come feel the space. So, and if you check the drift self, if you
mm.
go that drift pen, say market really come begin they come down, one can feel the
Mhm.
candles them
See another
above
possible scenario too. Can you
yeah.
see? Impulsive push, correction,
Okay.
impulse, sharp. And if you check here now, see a engulfing candle
Mm.
for there. See, and the sell
Yes.
is very impulsive. Now be impulse, correction, impulse. So this market, you need to short term. All these buys for here, they risky for now. Maybe these
Okay.
sales from here, now go completely take out, sorry, now go completely fill the week before anything buys go up. All these ones now just small correction. You get a bit?
Yes, yes.
So just dey follow the market story. You not really everything sharts now the same thing. E not really hard as people dey see am. Not really hard like that. Yeah, that nonsense when BTC do the other week. We see am abi. See the week when market be leave now.
Yeah.
I told us in that class, yeah, e don fail completely.
La-
Completely before the reversal. Then if you check wetin I tell you, na. So BTC now closed properly. See this one, this side. See this one now, the last your what's called your reference candle. Doji now close
yeah.
below, giving you higher prices.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
that's just it. If you check monthly now the mumu, it does sweep highs, it does sweep lows. But if you check now, you get zones where market now react from. Sorry, this zone here exactly. This buy close candle here. And here market they react from too. Some possible bullish momentum. Then check here now to see your what was it called? The same structure with the trade though. Just that na one you see yet see am impulsive push, correction, impulse. Check wetin
Okay.
dey here. So this candle engulf this one abi. Simple something. See am there. Just
Okay.
open your eyes to see. Now wetin I dey want make una like just open your eyes. Open your eyes. This thing dey work everywhere. Unless it's something not dey trading view. Check your daily now. Daily now because it give you after this na three candle formation. Yeah, so market now is going for the highs.
Mm.
Since it's bullish, you go your 4 hour, just find continuation something to forge ahead, just continuation and you are good to go. See the last red candle here. Market will close above them already. Now just to find continuation entry and you engage. If it day, not day, it not day. It's that simple. You don't need to force it. Now we don't get break of structure now. There's no better correction just yet. So we'll still hold on. But BTC now, you see and see from that daily stuff now. See if you check if you see come to 1 hour, see this zone again, impulsive push, correction, impulse. See am there. Can you see now?
Yes.
See
Yes.
am. So anytime you get small accumulation, anytime you get one kind of small accumulation, always wait for that first breakout. It always sell message. And if you see enough after this accumulation now, wetin happen? E go give you this first impulsive push when break above these highs here. E go correct. Impulse. That's the message. Impulse, correction, impulse. Then the origin of that first impulse, the origin of that first impulse, look for either of those candles that we trade. If you check it now, this candle engulfed the previous one. Is that the engulfing candle? You mark them as your point of entry. Shikina. See them. As market just tap, see the run.
Yeah.
So this in a work everywhere. You don't need to force it. If you see I'm fine, you not see I'm you don't trade. It's just that simple. Check Solana, check ETH everywhere they work. Huh?
Yes.
So let's get back to what we were to do today. I don't upload all the videos on my YouTube channel, so now we'll do more work there. I've told us market moves in three phases. In three phases only. One, either a ranging or accumulation. That is price bound. You know they go up, you know they go down. You just dey in one particular zone. That's the first phase. Two, the bullish market, where the market is tending to go to the upside. What do I mean? Long impulsive push, small correction. Long impulsive push, small correction. Long impulsive push again, small correction till the what's it called? The phase is exhausted. Then after that, we still have to see a bearish market where the market is coming to the downside. That's an impulsive push, small correction, impulsive push, small correction like that. Eh? So your duty as a trader every morning when you come to the charts is to observe the charts and see which of these three market phases are you in. If you dey consolidating, not trade, wait till you get a clear breakout. Then your impulse correction, impulse you engage. Now wetin happen for here. So market range small for here. After we had this impulsive push, correction, impulse we trade. So once you see accumulation, not do anything till the trend is clear. Then once you don't see this kind of thing, what do you need? You just need something. Let's say we have this zone here. Sorry, I'm coming. Good. We have this zone and this zone. The market be the sell before. Eh? Once market reach here, it can give you either of those four candles telling you, okay, possible reversal. It can book buy small. Once you don't see that candle for one kind support or resistance zone, all those either of those four candles call form. Market now call push go up, call correct, go up again. That's all you need. Impulsive push, correction, impulse. Then that origin when cause that push, origin of that first push, extray that zone, extray am. If you see any of those are four candles there, you put your limits, shikina. This one now is for your normal H4, your H1 structure. For the sell market, it's still the same thing. Market buy, call hit one kind support or resistance or whatever. Then you saw a push. Push now, your normal impulse, correction impulse. This push now closed below that correction leg. That's your first criteria. As it closed below, what you want to see, you just need to see correction again, impulse. That's impulsive leg, small correction, impulse. X-ray the extreme. Where the market come from, that extreme, X-ray the zone. If you see either of those four candles, that's your doji, the hammer, the what's it called, three candle formation, the evening and morning, evening or morning star, or the engulfing candle. Once you see either of them there, no say market supposed to come back there, give you small reversal and push to the downside. Do we get? Huh?
Yes, we get it.
Good. So once you not see impulse, very long impulse, small correction impulse, once you not see trash that pair, find another pair. The same for the buys. Then if you are on your daily or your weekly or your monthly, that's on a higher time frame, wait till you define. You just need to see one, a reference candle, which the candle should have thick body. The candle should be thick, not be just anyhow candle. The candle should be thick. What do? You mark the high and the low of that your reference candle. Now they call my D1. So my D1 now is this thick body candle now. So yeah, your duty now is to mark the low and the high of that candle. Then what you wait for? You just wait for a doji to form either above or below. Once doji just form above close, you just know, okay, market should most likely come for the lows. Then once you've seen this thing on your higher time, what do you do? I've given us a corresponding time frame template already. If you see this stuff on the daily, switch to your H1. If you see it on the weekly, switch to 4 hour. If you see it on the what's it called? On the monthly chart, switch to H4 and find your the same. Once you see this stuff on the daily time frame, switch to H1, look for something like this. If you see this stuff happening on the daily time frame, once you don't confirm, okay, tick body fine, doji don't close above or below, switch to the lower time frame, H1, M30, whatever. Then look for this sell structure, impulsive sell, correction, impulse, then you are good. Let's check that, what was that US 100 I traded last week. Been a NAS 100. Okay, good. See the something here. I got in using another means, Shabet. Let me just show us something. See our three candle here. Tick body, doji, sold. So that was my reference point already. So when this stuff happened here now, see the something again. Your tick body, your reference candle, you mark the high, you mark the lows. I think I left at the body. I not reached the wick that day. Target. Once you've seen a tick body like this, you don't see doji form. Sharp, switch to your lower time frame. Waiting you need to see for your lower time frame. This drawing here. See this impulse correction impulse and a very nice impulse, small correction impulse. Find your sell, those are 4 candles, either of them at the extreme, you go short. If you look here properly now, I dropped this picture on the group. I'm not going to stress myself now. I dropped this picture on the group. See the something. The market was originally clear bullish market, Abby. Then small impulsive correction, this one. Then we saw this sharp sell. This sharp sell now took out this last corrections leg. After taking it out, then it came back now. That's after this impulsive sell now. It came back up again. That's the impulsive sell. The correction now. Then it dropped down again. So when I dropped the picture on that group, it was something like this. Like something like impulse, correction, impulse. So once you've seen this impulsive push, correction, impulse, I told us always look at the extreme. If you look at this extreme, now what can you see here? You can see your hammer candlestick or your inverted hammer. I don't know what you call them. There is one of the candles I thought I was going to watch that video. Then I told us you mark that candle now, mark the candle low to the high, extend it to the future. Then place your limits. That was it. Place your limits. See the nice sales. I left around there, but it still went down. I took 1 to 6. That's if you risk what's it called? $10 for that, you make 60. If you risk $100, you make 600. If you risk 1K, you make 6K. It's just that simple. Put your SL above. I took 1 to 6 that day, 1 to 6, and I left. See, I'm there. I not take note. See the same thing that happened for here again. So after this one happened, now what happened? Impulsive sell, correction, impulse. Based on the little advance, I not finish on this one now. See it again. Market came to this extreme again. This one looks like a hammer, but it's not very perfect. See, our market came down there again, and the push continued. So this stuff will not form every day, no, but once you see it form anywhere, just understand what this impulse correction impulse and impulsive push correction impulse, and that extreme, look for those 4 candles. If you not see this one for H1 or your H4 normal structure checking, you switch to your higher time frame. If you should check Euro USD, I've told us right from what's it called, GBP USD, I've told us right from time that this thing still get how many pips to sell. But somebody now go they find buys because you see daily stuff. If you check that thing on the monthly chart, see your 3 candle formation is there. See, your thick body, the doji, then this one. And everything now, this one now, this kind of engulf this one, meaning this zone is valid. This one engulf this one already. This one now should be your reference point. Your high, then the low. So anything make you see this kind of thing for a monthly time frame, even though you see three candle formation on the daily, e go always fail you. It will fail you because the higher time frame, just like how will I say it now? The what's it called? The higher time frame has more strength or is more authentic or more valid. I don't know the best word to say, but if you see something on the monthly, the zone will be stronger than the weekly. If you see something on the weekly, you should respect it more than the daily. That's the more reason I've always told us, don't mark structures for me on the lower time frame. You check what is happening on the higher time frame. But I was always able to wake up the mark 1 hour they give me without telling me what you saw on the what's it called on the higher time frame. So always check my chart. You see just how many time frame here monthly there. You just to check what the last 2 months did. Check weekly. Wait till last week do. Then daily and 4 hour. That's where I do my structure mapping. Daily 4 hour and my H1. That's where I map and I engage. If you see check it out, what can you see? See this, okay, see our three candle formation. Market sold, Abby. Then see here now, market dropped, impulse, small correction, impulse. See what happened there. What candle is here? This candle engulfed this one, engulfing candle. See I'm there. Mark and confusion. It gave you your three candle formation again. Your three candle formation, thick body, doji. See this. So this one now, till this low is taken now, you can't be looking for buys. So always follow the higher time frame picture. Follow the higher time frame picture. If higher time frame tell you sell, even though you see buys on lower time frame, don't. Now set up. Then if you look at this thing properly now, see last, what was it called? This was Thursday's candle. Last Friday now have swept Thursday's high already. It has taken the low as well. So for now, our reference point now will be on the last Friday's high and the low. Are we getting it? So now we're not doing anything pending when either this high is taken or this low is taken. So most likely I will be somewhere here the weights. I'll be somewhere there waiting. Then if you go to your H1, I told us from the daily, good. I told us from the daily, I will wait somewhere here. Let me show us why on the lower time frame now. If you check here now, see my impulsive push, impulsive push, correction, impulse. It's happened already. So what do I have at the extreme top? Sorry. Look at the lock. What do I have at the extreme top? I have my hammer candlestick before this impulsive push. What do? You mark it out to the future and wait. Are we getting it? So all these buys when they come up, not concern me. Oh. Seriously, I'm not that kind of trader. All these buys, I know you give you money, you want to trade every day. It's not my thing. It's just 71 pips. I will wait till market comes. If you call me, if I not call me, I rest. So that's it. So let's try. Your higher time frame, always check for. That's your check. See my chart here. Monthly, weekly, monthly. You don't need all the data. You don't need everything. You don't need all the plenty data. No, you just need the most recent months. If you're on a monthly chart, you need what happened the last 2 months to engage to know how best to plot what is happening currently. Then if you check this in as well too, this was a similar tick body. This was a doji. So most likely market will still sell, but who knows? So once you're on the monthly chart, zoom and check what the most recent candles are doing. Your weekly chart, the same thing. Wait till last week, the last 2 weeks, wait till they do. That will give you an idea of what to anticipate the new trading week. From there, you go to your daily. Check wait till the previous days they do. Then that's it. You know how best to engage. So impulse, correction, impulse. Market won't go up now. Short again. So that's just it. That's just it. Do we have any questions?
No, it's pleasure. It's
Was I
pleasure.
too fast?
No, 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 no.
Okay. TJ,
Present.
you understand, Abi?
Yes.
Good. So always, Mumu, you this more recap. Market always dey. Who do they call me again? Now, why this phone is silent every time? So, hello? Sorry. So, like the market is always in three phases, yeah? It's either is ranging, accumulation, which is not going up, it's not price bound market, or is in a bullish market, impulse correction, impulse, or is in a downward trend. So your duty every day is to check where market day. Is it ranging? You stay put. Is it bullish? Which I need to see impulsive leg, correction, impulse. You know how best to engage. Is it selling? Impulse, correction, impulse. You know how best to engage. So once you just see where market they out of these three now, then you find your candles at the extreme and engage. Nothing really. Forex not supposed to hard bet. I don't know what people they do. This is what you need. Impulse, correction, impulse. Find those four candles and trade. Once you don't see this one, you go to your higher time frame or weekly, monthly stuff. Find this candle. If you play well, you engage. So that's just it, yeah. So I go upload the video too. If you not follow this one, you can watch it over and over again. Then on the YouTube as well, I've talked about these candles like back to back. So just make una use that page well because I don't dey tire to talk every time. Seriously. So you guys will work more on that page. Any questions?
For me, no question. No.
Okay, you understand, Abi?
Yes, yes, yes. It's
Okay,
very
so I
clear.
think then for me, I don't trade on Mondays now, so nothing, nothing I go do this night. I'll just rest my head tomorrow. Probably in the evening tomorrow, I fit check chat. So till Tuesday, most likely. So let's just try and let's keep ourselves busy. You know what to look at for already, so no need to do plenty stuff, yeah? Look for either of these three formations. Find something like this or check for this stuff. Now just three things at the tissue now. Either this one, or check your market there and you'll be good. So if you less busy or you are not so bored, you go through the YouTube channel. I dropped enough videos there already, so go through them. You'll learn one or two. Huh? So stop here for now.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.